How to find your Wise account number. So this is actually super simple. First, what you have to do is select the currency that you want to find your account number for. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to do US dollar. So if we click right here, then where you will be able to find your account number is right here. So as you can see, I can't see my number because I have not verified my identity. If I select this option, it will tell me that I have to deposit 20 euros and verify my identity. But basically, if you have done this, then you will be able to find your US dollar balance account number or US bank account number right here. You can copy the number and you can repeat the same process for euros or whichever currency you might want to be able to receive money in. Right here is where you will find your account number. So hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.